Welcome to Wix. This is an introduction to the Wix Editor, so you can get familiar with it and learn how to use the tools inside of it. When the editor first opens, you will be taken to either our Express editor or our drag and drop editor, depending on the template you chose. Don't worry, you can move back and forth between these two editors at any time, and we will go over both in this video. This is the Express editor. Your template will open in the middle. It is important to remember that this is your master page, where all of your site's content sits. Meaning all of your pages and content are located inside these borders, and this will stay the same in both editors. You can customize your entire site by going through these 4 steps here. Just follow this wizard and turn this template into your own, without disrupting the page layout. For more freedom, you can switch to our drag and drop editor at any time. Just click the Go to Editor button here. You can see your site still sits in the middle of the editor. On the left-hand side, you have your tools to customize your site. You can add components, change your background, upload files, and add a blog. Just roll over the button to see all of your choices. The Add bar will let you add components to your site. Take a look through all of your options. When you find what you want to add, you can see more options display for you. For example, I want to quickly add a contact form to my contact page. Bring this page up in the editor by clicking the page in the Page Manager here. Now from the Add bar, I will choose Widgets, Contact Form, and I will pick one that best matches my site. Now you can resize it and move it around. Remember, when adding anything to your site, make sure you place it correctly inside the borders. The page will turn yellow like this. Anything placed outside the page borders will not be seen in Preview or on your live site. You can click this box on the bottom left in order to bring up the last page of components you selected from. So since I just added my contact form, when I click this box, my contact form options will display. Now, when an item is selected, you will see the Property panel pop up under the Page Manager. This panel will allow you to customize your item even more. Keep in mind that each item has different Property panel options. For my contact form, I can connect my email, edit my text fields and settings, replace the form with a different one, change the colors of my entire form, and add effects and animations to it. Now you can go ahead and play around with the different components to get used to them. Next, you can change the background to your master pages, or change your site's background. Just go through and choose one you like. With My Files, you can upload your own content to the editor. Here are your file libraries. Click the Upload icon and choose the file from your computer. After uploading your file, you will be taken to your file library. And now to find your uploaded file, open the tabs here and search for it. Last, you can add a blog to your site, or you can add a button to your site and link it to your blog. Now on the right side of the editor is your Page Manager. Here you can see all of the master pages and pages in your site. This blue icon stands for a master page, and the white icons are for pages. To edit any page in the editor, just click on it from the Page Manager here. Then start adding content to it. You can reorder your pages by moving them in your list. You can also rename, duplicate, hide, password protect, and delete pages from the drop-down menu next to each. You can also add new pages from here, and new master pages from down here. You can also minimize the Page Manager and Property panel boxes if you need more space to work. Just click the double arrows here. Last, there is the top toolbar. Up here, you can see all of your messages from Wix. Keep checking this for website building and SEO tips, as well as coupons for special sales that we may have, and more. This can be very helpful for you. Next, you can change the size of your site while working in the editor to make it easier for you. Choose Fit to Screen or Show the Actual Size. You can also zoom in and out. You can add rulers to help you align the components and make sure everything is lined up. And here's the Undo button in case you make a mistake. You can update all the settings of your site here. If you need help with your site at any point, check out our Help Center here on the toolbar. Or you can also click the Help icon down here. You can preview your site to see what it will look like live. And you will also want to make sure you keep saving your site, so you don't lose any work. And finally, when your site is ready, go ahead and publish it. Keep in mind you can upgrade your site at any time to take advantage of our premium options. And now you are a pro at using the Wix Editor. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep at it.